Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you could actually use MetaMask Wallet and maximize all of its features. So, if you would want to send a crypto, what you will have to do is you will just have to select Move Crypto, which is right here, but it really depends on the layout of your version. So, you do have to explore the full MetaMask so that you will be able to actually maximize all of its features. And if you would want to send again your a crypto, you will just have to click send, and then you will send from your from whatever account that you want to. And if you would want to send it to, you will make sure to enter the public address of the wallet, or of the wallet that you would want to send crypto to. And if you and for the asset, of course, you will just have to enter your asset or your network that, and you should make sure that your network is correct so that you will be able to avoid losing funds. And of course, the amount that you would want to send, and then you will just have to click send. And if prompted, there are things that you would have to confirm and all that stuffs. And yeah, that's basically just it. And if you would want to transfer from an exchange, whether Binance, Coinbase, it really depends on the feature that your version has, and if you and the account that you would want to transfer it to. And then after you're all done with that, you'll just have to click transfer. And if you would want to receive, you could just copy this address, and yeah, you will just send it to the person that you would want to receive a crypto from. And if you would want to sell a crypto, you will just have to select this. If you would want to swap, you will just have to click this this option right here, which is swap. And by the way, you should make sure that it is available in your region or in your version so that you will be able to actually do this. So once you see the this swap option right here, you will just have to click that, and then you should be redirected to the dashboard. And you can either select your token, and then after that, you will just have to enter the amount, and then of course you will review all that. And after you have reviewed, you will just have to click swap so that you will be able to successfully swap. So yeah. And by the way, you could also track balances and transaction history within the wallet, so it should show up somewhere right here. But yeah, it really depends on your website. And by the way, you should always double check addresses and networks before sending your crypto. And yeah, that's basically how you can use your MetaMask wallet. And I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you, and have an awesome day.